Hello everyone, welcome to Vandana's art classes. We are going to make a very common flower, hibiscus, or Hindi, we call it gudhal. We have two shades of yellow, whichever you have. Then we have three shades of red color, brown color, and three shades of green. We have water in two vessels, one to wash the brushes and one to wet the paper. An ordinary pencil. First step, we will learn how to draw the hibiscus flower. This is the flower which has 5 petals. Normally, it can have, some hibiscus flowers have 2-3 layers also, but this is our first class of hibiscus flower. So we are drawing only one right now. So I am starting with the ordinary flower here, just giving gap and first petal, second petal, third, fourth and fifth, and pollen will make afterwards. Now its leaf is not a smooth leaf, so it has little cuts on around. So we will we have almost drawn our drawing. We have drawn 3 flowers and 2 birds and number of leaves. So this is our basic drawing. So now our drawing is complete. I have taken this clean brush and I'm going to wet the surface of one petal. Okay, I'm also going to erase all the pencil marks before painting, otherwise they look very ugly. Now I have wet this petal. I'm going to use combination of dark red and pink. Little bit here. The color is spreading. You can see I have applied lots of water, and now this is the second shade of pink. In between, I'm leaving some blank space. And here I applied pink color. Now we are going to make a bird. Okay, so I'll take a thin brush because bird is very small. Clean water and I will wet the surface bird here. is how it will look. And after drying, if it will be very dull, then we will give one more coating of colors. Now I'm taking brown color. This is the brown color, and I'll start filling in the branches. So we are starting new leaf. First I'm doing the outline, showing neatly all the curves. This is darkest green I have, darker than sap green. I mixed little bit blue in the sap green, so it became very dark. Now next color is sap green. I'm going to use sap green, little shading by sap green. Now light green. Very small strokes, very small strokes. It's actually the bud, the lower portion of the bud, which is green in color. Use sap green color. Give outline with sap green color and merge it with the light green. This is light green in my brush. And join it here. We'll wait for this to dry. When it will dry, then we will give a line with red color and green color together. So that is how we have to make the leaves. So to show the shading on the leaves, I am taking dark green color and this red color. So this is red. You can use this one also. You can use any dark brown also. I'm going to use red color from there and dark brown from here. This is darkest brown. If we don't have darkest brown, then we can even mix red color. Use a very thin brush and that your green leaf is dry enough. And paint in your brush is very, very less. To show the pollen, once again, see here, dark brown color and dots. And once these dots will be dry, then we will give yellow color. So we'll use the yellow color also and we'll show the dots of yellow along with brown to show the pollens. Brown, peach color background. For that, we wet the paper here and there, not everywhere, just few places, and we'll apply peach color here. So this is the peach color which will spread on its own because of presence of water.